Okay guys, so we're now here on your last 3 lessons about diagramming. So diagramming helps you to see how the sentences are constructed. Okay, so let's have first the nouns as compound subject complements. So the sentence is Curtis is an artist and a musician. Curtis is probably the subject, and then is will be your verb, and of course your compound subject complements are artist, musician. As you can see, you have to make sure that you know the roles or function of each word in a sentence. Curtis is the subject, is your being verb, the verb. Artist, musician is your nouns as a compound subject complements. Artist and musician. And will be under artist. A will be under musician. Curtis. So in a diagram, you have to draw a horizontal line. Write the word or your subject Curtis. Then draw line, a vertical line. Write the being verb is, and then a short slanting line, and then in between the artist and musician you have to write the conjunction with the broken lines. Okay, don't forget, broken lines. And then if there is an article a and the, you have to put it under the subject complement. An artist, a musician. You cannot combine them in one line. So you have to separate the article and the complement or the compound complements. Okay? So that's the nouns as compound subject complements. Let's move on to the adjectives as compound subject complements. So nouns and adjective are the words or parts of the sentence that can be used as subject complement. So adjectives can also be used as subject complement. So our sentence here in 8.9 is our vacation was long and enjoyable. So what is the subject here? Or our or vacation? Yes, vacation. So you have to write or draw a horizontal line first, and then write the word vacation or the subject vacation. So what are you gonna do with the word our? So you have to draw a slanting line and then write the word our, and then draw a line or a vertical line here in between the verb and the subject, and then after the verb you have to draw a short slanting line. Then after that it's like a rocket, so you have to write the compound subject complements or the adjectives as compound subject complements long and enjoyable. So long is on the top, and then enjoyable is at the bottom. Then don't forget the conjunction. It can be but or. Okay, so those are the common conjunctions that we use. But in the sentence, they use the conjunction and. So if you're going to read this diagram, our vacation was long and enjoyable. So that's the diagram for adjectives as compound subject complements. So next is compound sentences. What do we mean by compound sentences? We already know that if it's a compound, meaning it has two. So there are this is more than one. So our sentence is Lawrence likes shrimps with the comma. So it separates the first part of the sentence and the second part of the sentence. So Lawrence likes shrimps, but he has allergies. Okay, so it's a compound sentences. When it's a compound sentences, of course, it has two verbs, two objects, and two subjects, but they are connected with each other. Yes, it has two sentences, yet it is connected or it is related with each other. So Lawrence likes shrimps. Lawrence is the subject, likes is the verb or the first verb, and shrimps is the object or the direct object. And then don't forget the word but. This is your conjunction. But if you're going to make a diagram for this sentence, you don't need to put this comma. You just write the word but and then draw a broken line or broken lines here, and then create or put your next part of your compound sentence, he, and then don't forget the vertical line, and then has another verb, and then the short line, and of course the object or the direct object, allergies. So that's it. Don't forget that you have to figure out or identify each word in the sentence before you make a diagram, so that it can really give you much easier technique to make your own diagram. So that's it for your diagramming.